Assalamu alaikum. Today our discussion topic is network address translation with known as NAT. So now I will discuss about what is NAT. In order to communicate with other networks such as the internet, private IP addresses within a local network can be mapped to be public IP addresses using a technique called NAT. Here is there are two IP address, private IP and public IP. And there are three types of NAT. Number one, static NAT. Number two, dynamic NAT. Number three, port address translation, which known as PAT. Now I will discuss about the static NAT. Maps one private IP addresses to one public IP addresses, often used for hosting servers within a private network. Here is the diagram of static NAT. And what is dynamic net? Maps multiple private IPs to a pool of public IPs, with public IPs dynamically assigned as needed. Here is the diagram of dynamic net, how it is work. And at last, I will discuss about the port address translation, which known as PAT. Here maps multiple private IPs to a single public IP using different parts commonly used in home and small office networks. Here is the diagram of port address translation. And at last, how NAT works. Step 1. The NAT enabled router accept packets from private devices. And step 2. A public IP address and port in the case pet is substituted by the router for the private IP addresses in the packet header. Step number 3. Before being transmitted to the private device, responses are converted back to the original private IP addresses. Thank you. That's all about our topic.